In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a site audit in Ahrefs. Whether you're a seasoned SEO expert or just starting your journey into the world of search engine optimization, understanding how to effectively audit your site can give you invaluable insights into your website's health, performance, and areas that need improvement. First things first, you need to navigate to the site audit section within Ahrefs. This powerful tool does an incredible job of scanning your site to identify any underlying SEO issues that could be affecting your site's visibility and performance on search engines. It's like giving your website a thorough checkup to ensure everything's running smoothly. Once you've landed on the site audit page, you'll see an option to initiate the crawl process. Click on the Start Crawl button to kick things off. This is where the magic happens. The Ahrefs crawler will start analyzing different facets of your website. And what exactly does it look for? Well, quite a bit. It'll scrutinize performance areas such as page speed, which is crucial because a slow-loading site can really hinder user experience and, consequently, your search rankings. But it doesn't stop there. The crawl will also delve into the content aspects of your site. This includes checking for any duplicate content, missing meta tags, or overly long titles. Ensuring your content is within optimal guidelines is key to capturing and keeping the attention of both search engines and visitors alike. Then, let's not forget the technical elements. This is where things get a bit more nitty-gritty, as the audit reviews things like broken links, orphan pages, and any redirect issues. That's like cleaning out the attic. These aren't the most exciting tasks, but they're crucial for the health of your property. Now, as the crawler does its job, you might be wondering, what can you do with all this information? Once the crawl is finished, the audit will present you with a comprehensive report highlighting all discovered issues, along with recommendations on how to address them. This report is your roadmap for improvement. It outlines priorities, so you can tackle the critical problems first and make informed decisions to enhance your website's performance. A tip here is to schedule regular audits. Websites are dynamic, ever-changing organisms, and constantly evolving search engine algorithms mean what works today might not tomorrow. By routinely auditing your site, you maintain its health, keep it competitive, and continually provide a great experience for your users. By following these steps, you're taking an essential stride in ensuring your website remains robust and optimized for success. Keep analyzing, keep improving, and you'll see the difference in your site's performance in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and happy auditing.